Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. This might even, I don't like it as much. I don't like this form in the state to make it look like that, but I thought I'd just give it a shot, and it did kind of work. So I'm going to take the map that, and I'm going to freely give that to whoever wants it if they ask. It's on number 1. I'll put it on my email account. But let's go to Object and add perspective. And when we do that, we're going to make this map look like it's, you know what, maybe if I do both, not really stretch it out, maybe if I do it like that, it'll work. First time I just made it smaller. And we could also take and double click on it and you could skew it. Wow, that might work right there. Something in that order. So we want, they want the shade of Texas kind of stand out. So now what we're going to do, we haven't changed anything. We can take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in. I'm going to nudge it down, and I am going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to get the Extrude tool, and I'm going to extrude that, and maybe this time I'm going to go just like right there. Now I'm too deep, I think, so I'm going to get back the Extrude tool, and I'm going to move this bar up, and also you could change your number up here. You know what, that might not look too bad there. We're going to leave it at that. Now what you do is pretty easy. Go up to Object, break the Extrude group apart, and if you take an outer edge, which is your state, and move it up, we don't really have to because we could color the other end with blue, but I'm trying to get it away from that other state without moving it. And sometimes it's just like anything else, any kind of thing you do to it, it's going to slow down my computer anyway. Now we can move this back, and we're going to take this extrude group and make it a gray. And now we're just going to move it back. I don't know why my left key isn't working or something. And I'm not exactly on it. Somehow I jiggled something, like that's not really where it should be. So you could just, basically match it up there. But that looks pretty cool. I like it. And I'm just wondering now, you're just kind of playing around with it, if you could take the surrounding states and make them a different color. No, we don't want blue. Let's make them yellow. Now, I was afraid of that. I probably got a leak coming through all this stuff. But anyway, it did work. It looks pretty good. And I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.